A lot of people have been asking me, what software do you use when you're designing? I use Lunacy by Icons 8. So think of it as Figma, but you're using it offline. It's okay if you don't know what Figma is, but I'm going to show you the tool that I use. So head on to Google or any browser that you use and search Icons 8 Lunacy. And you're going to see the first result that comes in, and you're going to click on the first link, and this is the actual page that has Lunacy. So Lunacy is created by Icons 8. They have a collection of softwares. So there's the free design tool called Lunacy. They have Pigeon, which is a library for icons. Here you can choose what operating system you're using. It's available for Mac, Windows, and Linux or Linux. I haven't tried the Linux and the Mac version because I'm using a Windows, and you're just gonna click either gonna select that one. You can get it from Microsoft Store, or you can directly download it. So as you can see, that's just the interface. Once you click on it, that's what you'll be working with. So if you have any question with the installation and the download, let me know. I'm here to help. So once you've downloaded, we can get started to create amazing graphics, amazing designs. Thank you so much for watching, guys.